Hold on one second, Felicia. This is the woman of the night that we're getting ready to change to. Hold on. This is me doing the bib for her neck. So we found this thick yarn and we're gonna make her a rope for her belt. I got some cheap $2 fabric from Walmart and I'm gonna make her bib and her headpiece with this. And my husband is making her a wooden cross to go on her, you know, to hang down her neck. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like when it is done. My creative juices had to start flowing. So my daughter's gonna braid this. You gonna braid it for me? Or you gonna wait for me to get out the shower? You gonna braid it?
Sure. Yeah.
Silliness. Alright, y'all. We'll show y'all what it looks like when she puts it on tomorrow. Transformation. Yes, a nun. Look at her bling bling. She got the bling bling cross. And this is her costume. You gotta put the praying hands up. You gotta, because nuns are always praying. Yep, let me get you a side profile. Okay, now you can let them go. Let me get that bling. All right. Yes. And that's her costume, guys. Don't she look great and heavenly? I'll send those to you so they can see the robe, the thingy. Okay. Yep, see y'all? She got a rope on. I'm so excited. She's happy for the costume. It was a very frugal costume all together with everything we had to buy. $2 fabric, $3 yarn, and $2 little beads and some $3 earrings and a scarf that I had. I put it with it and I made her headpiece and her bib out of the $2 fabric. As you can see, she loves it. Today does not have to be a day about evil things. It can be a very fun day. Have fun, enjoy your kids, be safe, and make sure that you check your children's candy before you let them eat it and let them know that it needs to be checked before you eat it. I would try to remember to record the faces that I do for Naya and Rizzy, but you guys enjoy your day.